again, and this is Victoria, and it is Boxing Day. Whoa. What I'm saying is empty. 375 over there. It's just really empty. Look, all the boards have got the timetable for details, which is really weird. All the barriers are open as well. Don't walk down the platform. We're walking down the platform. Look, all the barriers. No, Southern do run. Are running.
But how are they going to go?
They'll go on the other side.
Yeah.
Traction currents is charged on this side. It's so weird. It's. Here's Oliver. I'm not filming you. It's just so weird. It's Boxing Day. It's just like the day after Christmas. Like, and everything. No, I just don't think they're running a service. There you go. Lovely buffers. Just checking what's over here. They've got 375s in it, that's it. 375.
Remember, 500, 500,
500, 909, 99. No, freight trains. Really weird. All the barriers are open. I can just go breaking the train, it won't move. Yeah, all weird. Right, let's go back out. Right, let's go back out. Thanks for watching. Here we are again. And this is what's basically Boxing Day's done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trains are being displayed. 6 trains. 6 trains. 7 trains. That's it.
Burger King. I know. You're watching this video, like Burger King.
There you go, look, the barriers are now in operation, the bastards.
Ollie Pops is watching the video. And in the back right.
Right, let's go. Right, thanks for watching.